going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday morning, November 10th, 2025. I really wasn't in the mood to make a video this morning. I wasn't. Sure wasn't. And honestly, I still ain't. And it's taken a lot of my effort to press that stop. Don't do it! Stop button. But then it got me thinking. Sean O'Connor in Dexter, New York, needs our help. Now, I didn't realize where Dexter, New York is. It's in the middle of fucking nowhere. It might as well be between Montreal and Toronto, but in New York State. And I ain't kidding you. It's facts. Look at this. There's Montreal. There's Toronto. There's Dexter. Like I said, it might as well be between Toronto and Montreal, but in the great communist state of New York. But you know what? It's the places that all around here, including Long Island, except Albany, that are not communist. No, we are red. The problem is the populace of the Albany, Schenectady, Troy area, Westchester, and the four boroughs, and parts of Buffalo where that Huckle came from, who did nothing as a governor except try to take away our gas. Take away our gas! Anyway, Sean and his lady friend, they got this house right here. And they need our help. He needs a new furnace. Now, God damn. If we walk to Dexter from Woodmere, it's going to take 5 days, at least according to Google directions. If we take a bicycle there, it's going to take about a day. If we fly there, we have to fly. We can fly from Newark to Watertown. It's going to take 6 hours. It's going to take the same amount if I drive there. If I take transit, let's just say, sorry, we cannot calculate train. But in a vehicle, if I take the thruway to 81, I'll be there in 6 hours if I leave right now. And it has tolls. So here is the problem, folks. We have Sean living in Dexter, New York, that needs a new furnace. And let's just delete this copy. All right. And his furnace is really, I don't even know if it really needs to be replaced, because I'm not there, but apparently he was told by other contractors that it needs to be replaced. And yeah. So unofficially and indirectly, he's got a Concord. Unofficially and indirectly, I spoke to the folks at ACIQ, telepathically, because I haven't spoke to him about this yet, but they already reached out to me and said, Mikey Pipes, tell me what you need and we'll send it to you. So we need someone who's qualified or an HVAC contractor up near Watertown that could take this on. If you are not in a position to do this on the house, the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization will reimburse you a fair compensation. Keeping it real. Fair compensation will be sent to you. All right? But it would be nice because all these people who donated $42.50 to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization got a free poster. Got some stickers in the mail. So, yeah, that's what we're at, folks. That's where we're at. We need to help this family out. And it doesn't look so bad. Let me show you. There's the furnace. Right? It's 66,000 BTUs. I believe it's propane. I got copies of his utility bills, but it's a high efficiency furnace now. You know, it's AC only, right? I mean, AC only. Cooling only. Looks like it's in a unfinished basement that really needs to be a cleanup. So, folks, who can help? Is there someone out there who can help? I would love to drive out there and do this myself, but that's going to be quite difficult. Even if I left, let's say on a Saturday evening, get there around midnight, find a place to sleep in Watertown, do the job, which is only going to take a few hours, right? And be back home. I'd be home for a late supper on a Sunday. Yeah. I'm about to put my foot in my mouth, but let's see if someone's out near Dexter, New York first. Let's get this done. All right, folks, today is Monday the 10th. Let me take a look at the schedule. Thanks to House Call Pro. Let me just add this job okay, it's already added. Someone texted me yesterday evening as I'm about to hit the head. All right, I have a heating service call. We have a anode rod, anode, A-N-O-D. What is this? Anode. Anode rod change, boiler vent damper to replace, boiler maintenance. What is this? Have I ever been there before? Yeah, I was there in September. Who is this? Was I there? Yeah, I guess I was there. Oh, it's the guy. What? It's a 204. So I have the 5-inch vent damper and a 204. Hopefully I have a 5-inch vent damper. Huh, anode rod change. We can't change. We tried changing the anode rod. It doesn't want to come out, but we'll try again. We'll try again with a big piece of pipe, a breaker bar. So I have that, boiler maintenance. Then I have a annual service. Then I have annual service. Gas range needs to be adjusted. Well, we don't service gas appliances, so, stoves, cooktops. Daniel's going all the way to Northport on an Alpine service, then Dix Hills, then Floral Park, Garden City. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, we got one of these 5 tons going in, and the following Wednesday, I believe it is, following Tuesday. Yeah, that'd be awesome. All right, guys. Have a great, glorious day. I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. Oh, and if you want a free poster, email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. The first one to email me is getting that free poster mailed anywhere in the United States.